Buttons can be used to navigate between pages of the form, show embedded images, link to a web page, or initiate a function from your form script. To add a button to a form, open your form in Forms Designer and click on the Form tab on the menu ribbon at the top of the screen. Select Button from the menu ribbon. Determine where you want to place your button. Holding down the left mouse button, draw a box on the form starting at the top left corner and ending at the bottom right corner. Let go of the mouse button to complete your button. Select the properties desired from the Button Properties dialog box. The Display tab allows you to configure your button's appearance. In the Text field, add the text you would like to be displayed on the button. Other configurable options for the button text include the font, font size, font color, and bold, italic, or underline. There are also some newer button display options that are only available for Form Templates version 7.0 and higher, and will only work in the Mobile Forms app versions 7.0 and higher, and in the web app. These new features include background color, border width in pixels, border radius, which rounds the corners of the buttons, and opacity percentage. The drop-down menu on the Action tab of the Button Properties lists the available options for button actions. Call a subroutine in script should be selected if you want to execute a JavaScript subroutine within your form when the button is clicked. Insert the function name from your script into the empty field. For example, you could have a button that makes an extra page of the form available if more room is needed. Implementing this button action requires knowledge of JavaScript. You can contact our professional services team for a quote if you are interested in adding custom scripts to your form, but do not have the time and/or JavaScript expertise available. Show an embedded image resource can be selected to display an image when the button is clicked. To load the image you want to display, click Browse and select the image from your local files. For example, clicking the button could display an image of a building floor plan. The Change Pages in the Form option can be used to navigate within a form. You can set a button to go to the next page, go to the previous page, or go to a specific page. If you select Go to a specific page, you can then select which page the button will go to by selecting the appropriate form page from the preview window displayed. To open a web page when the button is clicked, enter the link for the website you want to display in the empty field. For example, clicking a button could open a web page with the latest weather or traffic information. The Use Web View in the App checkbox will open the web page in the Mobile Forms app instead of opening the page in the default browser. This is a new feature and is only available for versions 7.0 and higher. For more information on using Forms Designer, visit the Forms Designer section of our Help Center at help.fieldtobase.com.